Today we all have gathered here to inaugurate a 3-day national workshop on artificial intelligence using Python.
So you learn basics Python and somewhat advanced level Python also, then how to integrate Python with simple artificial intelligence projects also.
Myself, Dr. Soundarajan. So, division of AIML head. In the division of AIML is launching a first milestone in IIT Bhopal University. In first workshop actually happened today. Python is most powerful language for artificial intelligence division. So that is why actually the people are planned for conducting this workshop. All the students are actually participating in this workshop is having good knowledge and having practical things also, getting the real-time projects how we are going to do in Python. And then I wish all the students to get good knowledge about this workshop. And also we have a lot of plans in our AIML division. This is the biggest initiative I am thinking first.
I'm Dinesh. I'm a project lead in Alantosoft. I had experience in Cognizant. Then I started the startup company and I was working in a startup company. I had 8+ years of experience in IT. Initially, we started off with Python, Python basics, Python advanced, AI with Python, Python AI hands-on, etc. We had mixed experience, like people who don't know Python, people who little bit of know Python, and then people who know advanced concepts of Python. So it's like good interaction with people, like many people, different background, they helped other people, and at the end of 1.5 day session, they were able to work hands-on with Python. All the 2 background people, they were like in a single track, and then now they are able to develop Python programming. Then we start off with AI with Python program, and it was like we developed 5 to 6 hands-on programs. We started off with video analytics, video processing, and image processing kind of stuff with video, eye, face, etc. detection. Then we started off with game programming. We developed multiple games. Students were enthusiastic in developing multiple programs, multiple games. They had good hands-on on it. Then it comes the NLP, natural language processing kind of stuff, and then people were excited about it, like they translated their natural language to multiple stuff. Then we ended up with session like speech recognition, like people able to develop their own voice recognition system. So it was like fun working with them.
Hello, I'm an AI and ML student, and as this workshop was for Python using AI, I joined it because I wanted to learn more about it.
When we first got to know about the workshop, we were very excited because it was the first workshop conducted by our division, and we were about to learn about Python and AI using Python.
AI in itself is a very interesting and a deep to learn topic. When sir first told us about the workshop, all I could imagine was we sitting in the workshop, coding stuff.
I found the workshop very inclusive and informative. So it took care of everybody's learning pace. The way we learned from the basics and then took it to the level of integrating knowledge of Python with speech recognition and image recognition is really appreciable.
In these 3 days, we learned a lot. Our resource person taught us by scratch by enabling us to create variables to the magical world of creating speech recognition softwares by our own.
Talking about the experience of this workshop, all I can say is that it was a really splendid experience. It was a great learning expedition for all of us. Face recognition, speech recognition. I am pretty confident that it will be helpful for us in the long run.
The way we integrated the implementation part and the theoretical part is really commendable. I found this workshop very informative.
And my experience of 3 days was wonderful because the expert who came was resourceful, knowledgeable, and very interactive. And in future, if I'll get another chance of doing this kind of workshop, I'll surely participate.
At the end of session, people gave a good positive experience. Like they went out with happy faces that they learned many, and the session ended up with more than their expectation. It was filled up.